In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. First sentence is, you don't deserve to be respected. You don't deserve to be respected. Next sentence is, I have an upset stomach. I have an upset stomach. Next is, rinse your mouth thrice. Rinse your mouth thrice. Third sentence is, it has been 3 days. It has been 3 days. Fourth sentence is, avoid gathering, brother. Fifth sentence is, you have to go now. You have to go now. Sixth sentence is, don't forget your status. Don't forget your status.